Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to send from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. So the first thing that you need to do is just go to the App Store or Play Store of your mobile phone, and from here just search these applications. Phantom, first of all Phantom Wallet, and once you enter you will see this application called Phantom Wallet. So just make sure to download this account and make an account on Phantom Wallet, and also download Coinbase Wallet or Coinbase. So just download these two applications, Coinbase Wallet, and once you have downloaded the applications, so first of all go to the Phantom, make an account, and let's say you have an account already. So just open the application and just enter the code, and after that you will see this interface like kind of home section of Phantom Wallet. So from here you can see these options called receive, send, swap and buy. So just click on send option, and once you click on send just select any of the coin. Let's say I want to send Bitcoin, so just choose Bitcoin, and from here as you can see just enter the recipient address. Now to get this address just go to the Coinbase and click on receive, and once you click on receive you will be like asked to select the coin. So just choose Bitcoin and you will be like given the recipient address. So just copy the address and paste it on this, and once you paste here just click on next, choose the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send, and that is a simple and easy process of how you can send from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase.